Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this video will be about my Shenzhen trip. After skiing and having dinner, we went back to our hotel, and in the lobby we got this welcome drink. It was a very sweet fruit punch and I really liked it. And here are some price references for other drinks if you want to enjoy in the lounge. So the lounge area is big with lots of activities to do, and it is free if you're staying in the hotel. So we decided to play pool.
ये दिल्ली कौन precisely? I don't know. दिल्ली कौन precise? Yeah. Yeah. You have to follow the white ball now. Yeah. Out.
I'm not really good at playing this, however we played few rounds and decided to head back to our room. On our way to the lift, we saw the scooter, which reminded us of the Bollywood movie Sholay, so we just decided to play with it for a while and then head back to our room. Let's have our room tour, and this is how the room looks. So on the left hand we have the bathroom, so let me show you the bathroom. It's really nice. So they have sink here with hot and cold water, the tissue paper, the blow dryer is here, and then what is this? I don't know. And then glasses, the towels, the toiletries are here. So what do we have? We have a toothbrush, two, and then a comb, a bath cap, and vanity kit. And we also have grapefruit and mint hand wash. And the mirror is really nice here with the lights at the side. And this is the shower area with the noodle head. Oh, the floor is really nice. You can sit down and take a shower. And then we have the shampoo here, conditioner and shower gel. And on the other side here, we have the towels, and then the toilet with toilet paper and the rubbish bin. So let's go outside. This very interesting place is that we have the hanging chairs. We're gonna fix it tomorrow and have a set up near the windows, and we have hangers, some bags, and a hanging table. And then here is the mini fridge. There's nothing inside. And then we have two cups, very cute, with the name of the hotel, and then the water boiler with tea. And then we have the safe and a weighing machine underneath. And then this is the bedroom. We have two twin beds, and then a TV here. And the bin is there with the chair and table, and some decoration with lamp. This one is the wall lamp we're here. And then this is the free space. So I think this is where we can set up the table and then just sit down and enjoy the scenery. You can't see the scenery, it's too late at night. So hopefully I will remember to record it tomorrow. What else? Oh, near the bed Other than Anna, we have 2 lamps and then this interesting phone which works, and then 2 complimentary water bottles, and then some switch with the charging plugs, and TV channel guide, and slippers. Yay! We also have torch, light, and something inside. What's this? Oh, mask. So that's the room tour. So if I'm not tired tomorrow, I'll continue vlogging. Bye for now. And I say bye. After taking some rest, we decided to end our day with face masks. Also, YouTube can't be browsed in Shenzhen unless we're using our own data. So we had our Hong Kong phone number and we used our own data to view some videos. The next morning, we freshened up and headed to do some shopping. We went to a nearby supermarket because we wanted to check if the supermarkets were similar to Hong Kong or not.
Very interesting.
Cool. Much. Da 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 da. And her shopping there. And then we saw something interesting that were being taken away in tracks. So it was really cool. And we later saw they were actually the packaging for delivery. So after the order has been made, there will be some staff who would pack the items and then put it on this special delivery system and it would go to the counter. Other than that, the layout of the supermarket was very similar, and also they had the self-checkout machine just like some of the Hong Kong supermarkets. The plaza near our hotel was really huge, so they had all these shops. So we went to look for some clothes and to see if we can find something nice to buy. And while we were shopping, it started to rain heavily. And the warning system for rainstorm is different from Hong Kong, so we experienced the orange rain, which is very similar to the red rainstorm in Hong Kong. And then we looked for a place to have breakfast. We wanted to eat something light before our massage, and we found this bakery which had seating area.
Yum, 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 yum.
After breakfast, we headed back to the hotel to pack and check out. And because our shoes got wet, Anna found this very unique way to dry our shoes.
Smart.
So we did our checking out process and then we left our luggage in the lobby and then headed for our massage. So we were staying near the Hongshan station and our massage was nearby, but we had to pass through the different exits.
Or it's just leaking.
Passing through a metro station in Shenzhen is different than in Hong Kong because every time you enter a metro station, you have to do a full security check. So Amy was guiding us where to go because she was the one who helped us book this massage place.
We have arrived to our massage area and it's raining heavily. How to put the... let's keep our umbrella.
And then she took us there and she wanted to relay all our messages and requests to the masseuse so that there will not be any miscommunication.
Yes.
Are we allowed to eat inside?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah, then while we wait, we can eat.
Yeah, while you're waiting the train, you can eat.
okay.
You can eat
That's
there.
fine. Let's see how long. So we were taken to this room for our massage, but we later found out that this was the wrong room, so we were taken to another room afterwards. This was the room prepared for us because they already had the clothes to be changed into. So we got ready for a massage.
Got in the wrong room before.
So I had a lot of body pain from yesterday's skiing, so I think it was a good time to have this massage. However, certain parts of my body was too painful when my masseuse put a lot of pressure. There were also some tea and snacks prepared in the room. So we changed back into our clothes and headed back down to the reception area. The place was beautifully decorated and the ambience was really good, and the music was also very relaxing. The payment was done online and we headed back to the station to pass through the exit again. And this time I wanted to show you how the waters will be checked in case you have any water bottle. Then we went to the nearby Turkish restaurant to have lunch. This is the same place we wanted to go to yesterday, but because it was fully booked and packed, so we couldn't get into it. The decoration inside was really pretty and we felt like we were in a different country. I ordered some Turkish tea and I really loved their crystal containers. Also, the ordering was done using a QR code and we couldn't just use our normal phone or camera to scan it. So we had to have another Chinese app where we can scan using that app and then the menu would be displayed. Fortunately, Anna had this app because she goes to Shenzhen frequently, so we ordered through her phone. So throughout the trip, we haven't used any cash at all. All the bookings were done online and also the food payments were done using the apps. When we went to skiing yesterday using the metro, we also did not use any cash. Instead, we used the Alipay to scan the code and that's how the money was deducted. We also got another type of tea. This one tastes a little bit salty and sour. Good job. I love the light.
Tell me the names so I'll remember. This one? Do you remember the name? No.
Beef pizza, shashuka, and pizza bread.
We also found out later that all the tissue papers and wet wipes were inside a drawer at one side of the table.
There you go. Go.
After lunch, we headed back to our hotel to collect our luggages.
Back to the hotel to collect our luggage and look at the gym. It's the gym we did not go to, but it's so big. The lobby is connected to the gym and the toilet and everything else. Let's go. We left our luggages there.
You could also choose to have breakfast and lunch in the hotel. And this is the time for having breakfast. Also, we wanted to take a taxi back to the terminal, so it was much faster. And the receptionist helped to book us a taxi. She also gave us this number, which the taxi driver asked us later on before making the payment.
Azteca weather is like this. Let's end our vlog here.
We arrived to the terminal on time and we waited in the area, which was really big. After waiting for some time, we found out that our train was delayed by 1 hour due to the bad weather. The guard at the entrance told us that if we wanted to take the earlier train, which was scheduled 10 minutes earlier than our original train, then we would have to buy new tickets. Luckily, there was another woman and her son going back to Hong Kong who had the same train departure as us, and she asked the guard to let her go to this train and she wants to go by standing, so we just followed her. So we stood on the train as we did not have any seat reservation. The ride was not long and the immigration procedures in Hong Kong were very smooth. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.